छीन लिया आपने।
के पापा हम आ गए। आप कहते हैं कि हमने एहतजाज छोड़ दिया, हम एहतजाज जारी रखेंगे इंशाअल्लाह। हमारी आखिरी जद्दोजहद इमरान खान है। इंशाअल्लाह इमरान खान के टाइगर अपनी जान भी कुर्बान कर देंगे और मरियम के घर पर।
Just stand over this side for us and stay over the way.
Stay onto the pavement. Stay onto the pavement.
Just keep it over here for me, all right?
This is a road.
Thank you. Find someone who's the highest level, that would be great. If there's anyone that has anything in charge, or is everyone just the same here?
No, it's everybody's the same. We are reporters and the rest of them are workers of two parties.
Okay. Right, do me a favour, stay over here for us.
Can you just move away, please? Can you right, sir? Can you just move away, please? Can you move away?
No, I've seen everything. What's your name? Are you in charge? Are you the highest level here?
No.
Who is the highest?
Security, who is in charge here?
Cousin sir, police क्यों आई?
It's unplanned protest, you know. It's not.
Are you protesting now, or are you coming here?
We're waiting for.